welcome back to Conde TV. I'm Tori, and today we are going to be working with our Sublime Socks. Now, we have sublimated socks in the past, but today we are going to be offering some new sizes, and I wanted to share them with you. So the very first thing that you're going to notice about these Sublime Socks is that the jig is already included. Right out of the box, it is set up to sublimate. You can also use the jig to display the socks to customers once they are ready. Now, these Sublime Socks come in a few sizes. We have the Toddler no-show. For the adults, we have the standard no-show. There's the crew style and the knee sock. And we're going to be doing a toddler size and a crew style today. So let's get started. Since our Sublime sock already comes with the jig, you know it's going to be an easy press. The only thing we need is our Conde Pro Spray, our image, our protective paper and heat gloves, and of course, our Sublime sock. And as you can see, the Sublime logo is woven into the bottom, so you know it's a quality product. The first thing we're going to do is take our Conde Pro Spray and spritz our image. I like to do this over a trash can so it doesn't get on my clothes or my furniture. I do the same thing to our tiny image. And then I'm going to align our sock with the image, making sure that it's centered and that when we fold it over, both images are going to line up with our Sublime sock. So before I crease it down, I just want to double check. I think it's good to go. So we're going to fold this one and do the same thing to our crew sock. We're going to line it up with the image, making sure that it fits inside the box. And then we're going to fold it over, taking note of where that image falls, and then before we crease, just double check it's lined up really well. Crease it, and then we're ready to go to the press. Since we are using the DK20S today, we are able to fit both our toddler sock and our crew sock on the press and do them both at the same time, so that's a plus. First, we're going to put down a sheet of protective paper, and then we're going to fit these both onto our press, followed by another piece of protective paper, and then we press. And we are going to flip the product midway through, so be sure that you are checking with Conde.com to get all of those instructions. I went ahead and put my heat gloves on for the flip. So now we're going to take the product, do a quick flip, replace the paper, and press again. That sound means we are done. So let's see how these socks turned out. All right, our toddler sock looks really good. I like that one. And then let's see our crew sock. This is the one I'm excited about. Heck yes, it even matches my shirt. So I'm going to let these cool, and then we'll be right back. So now that our sublimated sock has had some time to cool, I think it truly looks sublime. And since the jig was included, it significantly cut our production time, which is really important in the sublimation business because time is money. If you call your Conde account agent today and tell them Tori sent you, we'll send you a free set of toddler Sublime socks with your purchase of $100 or more. For more tips, products, and services, check out Conde.com, and for more of my videos, make sure to watch Conde TV. I'm Tori, and thanks for watching.